Hello, and thank you for joining me for Ask Gardener Lynn. Gardening can be a bit tricky sometimes, and just a little bit of help can turn a troubled garden around. So let's keep those gardens on track. So our question today comes from Diane. She's in Zone 6. And her question is, how do you know when vegetables like carrots and beets are ready to pick? So last year I picked way too many before they were fully developed. Well, the fun thing about beets and carrots is you can pick them at any size. I plant a big patch of carrots and then I start harvesting them as small as my finger, and I do that to thin the patch. To see if they are big enough to harvest, just gently move the soil away from the tops of the plant. If the carrot is about a ½ inch across, then they're ready to start thinning and eating a few. Then I purposefully leave a bunch in the garden until they get the first frost. This makes the carrots sweeter, and then I can store them in the fridge or the root cellar to eat all winter long. For beets, I start to harvest them when they are about the size of a golf ball, and then I thin the patch each week as I harvest. Then I leave some of the harvest at the end of the season so I can store them in the root cellar for winter eating. Beets and carrots will store better if they've gone through a light frost in the fall. So be sure to plant enough so you can harvest some fresh eating all season, and then also have some for storing for eating in the winter. So if you have a garden question, please click on the link below this video and submit your question. If you would like to learn more about carrots and beets and want to see us grow a whole season of them week by week for 33 weeks, then go ahead and sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. In the show, we're going to follow a garden from the time we plant the seeds to the time we pull out the beds at the end of the season. And this is going to include beets and carrots. So this is the best insider's look at watching everything that we do with the vegetable plants week after week, all season long. We'll even show you a professional trellising system that you can use for your garden. So the show, it's free, it's online, and you can watch it anytime that you choose. So go ahead and go to livingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up, or you could click on the link below. So I want to thank you for watching. Please submit your questions so that we can get them answered. Also subscribe to our channel so you can get more high-performance gardening information. And until next time, may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.